Controller drift can be frustrating, especially in competitive gaming. Here is a quick guide to help you improve controller drift in CS2. Step 1. Clean the controller. Start by turning off your controller and using compressed air or soft cloth to clean around the analog sticks. Dust and debris can cause drift, so ensure all areas are free from obstruction. Step 2. Adjust dead zone settings. Access the game settings and navigate to the controller options. Adjust the dead zone settings for the analog sticks. Increasing the dead zone can help minimize the effects of drift by requiring more movement before the game registers input. Step 3. Update firmware. Check if your controller has any available firmware updates. Manufacturers often release updates that can improve performance and fix issues like drift. Follow the instructions provided by the manufacturer to complete the update. Step 4. Recalibrate the controller. Recalibrate your controller through the game or system settings. This process can help reset the controller's input recognition and may resolve drift issues by aligning the stick center position. Step 5. Consider hardware solutions. If the drift persists, consider using a controller grip or thumbstick cover designed to reduce wear and improve control. In extreme cases, you may need to replace the analog stick with the entire controller. By following these steps, you can significantly reduce controller drift and enhance your gaming experience. Good luck and enjoy your game.